I want it all. I want it all. Yeah. I want it all, man. I ain't stopping till I get it. Seen a lot of ups and downs, man, but I'm still here. Ray Lynchman, Lynchman ENT, get familiar with the name. I ain't stopping till I get it. I want it all, I ain't settling. Verses hit you like medicine. Most these rappers I'm better than. I'll break the door if they don't let me in. Life's a game and I'll play to win. I'll spit the truth while these dudes pretend. Get served like 2 for 10 if you play with me on my dividends. It's game time, put me in, coach. I've been homeless, I've been broke, but I kept grinding, never lost hope. Now the boy fresh like a bar of soap. See, I gotta drive like Uber. Better watch your girl or I'll swoop her. I want it all so I can blow the shit. Straight cash out with my jeweler. More money means more problems, rather be stressing a Benz. Got no time for these fuck boys, need more money, less friends. They say they down, but when you ain't around, they be scheming out for your ends. So I'm solo dolo on this paper chase, pray God forgive all my sins. This my life, you only live once, so I gotta give it my all. Go hard, I can't stall. I won't quit, I won't fall. These niggas know that I'm next to blow, I give 2 fucks how y'all feel. I want it all, I ain't satisfied till I finally get me a meal. I want it all. Yeah, money, power, respect. I'm focused on my grind, out here trying to get me a check. I want it all. Cause I remember days I was poor, no bed to lay my head, I was sleeping down on the floor. I want it all. And I ain't stopping till I get it. I know you feel my hunger, can't you tell that I'm committed? I want it all. I want it all. Yeah, I want it all. That nice house and that fly whip I can flouse in. Thinking back on those days, niggas would wave when I was out walking. I put in work, straight murder shit. Now somebody give me a coffin. These dudes need to make more moves and a lot less of that talking. I'm bossing on these fuck boys. What's down, now I'm up, boy. Flow cold like Milwaukee, nigga. Plus I'm bout my bucks, boy. I took a risk and I rolled the dice. Now rappers scared like poltergeist. In the booth, I'm nothing nice. Challenge me, you better think twice. I'm a born star. Fuck the game like a porn star. Flip this bucket to a foreign car. Keep it real in every bar, they know who we are. See that Lynchman shit, I represent till I die, and that's real. Rolling like I'm on a bill, gotta get rich just to see how it feel. Grinding so hard I can't chill, busting my ass like a slave in the field. Stacking my cash cause I want it to last, won't quit till I get me a meal. No time for that talking, if it ain't about money, I'm all about my dollar bill. I'm trying to put on for all of my niggas and move to that house on the hill. Yeah, I want it all. Yeah, money, power, respect. I'm focused on my grind, out here trying to get me a check. I want it all. Cause I remember days I was poor, no bed to lay my head, I was sleeping down on the floor. I want it all. And I ain't stopping till I get it. I know you feel my hunger, can't you tell that I'm committed?